In this video, let's see how to integrate Shopify with other applications as a trigger application. Here we are choosing Gmail as our action application to integrate with Shopify, where we can receive mail for new order created with Shopify application. Let us first log in to Wyzebulb account by clicking on with Sign In with Google or providing your login credentials. Here we have Trigger and Action section where we will be proceeding with integration. Select Shopify as our trigger application under the apps. In the Trigger section, select New Order created on Shopify Store. Then click on Save and Continue. Next step is to connect the account. Click on Connect Shopify Account, and enter your credentials, then click on Add. Next click on Save and Continue. Trigger the test sample by selecting the test even. Select Gmail as our action application under the apps. Choose the action Send Mail. Click on Save and Continue. Next step is to connect the account. Click on Connect Gmail Account. Select your account. Simultaneously your Gmail account will be connected, then click on Save and Continue. Move on to Setup Template. Select the required fields from your trigger application by clicking on the plus icon and match details based your requirements, then save and continue. Next click on Test Action. Success message will appear. Click on Continue button. Navigate to your Gmail where you have received mail. Now save the flow by providing suitable name. A flow will be saved under My Flow. Navigate to your Shopify account. Click on Order, then click on Create Order. Next browser your product. Then select your product and click on Add. Next click on Collect Payment. After your payment, verify your product details. And navigate to your Gmail, where your product confirmation mail will be sent. Thank you. For more such automations, visit Wyzebulb.